Hi friends, today I'm going to read you a book called The Crayon Box That Talked. And then afterward, I'm going to ask you to respond and take a picture or a video and put it on Seesaw. The Crayon Box That Talked by Shane DeRolf. While walking in a toy store the day before today, I overheard a crayon box with many things to say. "I don't like red," said Yellow. And Green said, "Nor do I. But no one here likes orange." But no one knows just why. Wow, look at their faces. "We are a box of crayons that doesn't get along," said Blue to all the others. "Something here is wrong." I want you to notice these crayons' faces. Wow. What are the crayons saying here? How are they feeling? What are the crayons saying and how are they feeling? Go ahead and whisper your answer into your hands. Catch your thought. Nice work. Well, I bought that box of crayons and took it home with me. Huh. I wonder why she bought the crayons even though they weren't getting along and they were fighting. Huh. I wonder why she bought that at the toy store. She laid out all the crayons so the crayons could all see. Look now. Look now at these crayons' faces. They look a little different. How are the faces changing now? Let's go back and remind ourselves what they looked like before. And now, how are they changing? They watched me as I colored with red and blue and green, and black and white and orange and every color in between. They watched as green became the grass and blue became the sky. The yellow sun was shining bright on white clouds drifting by. Colors changing as they touched, becoming something new. They watched me as I colored. They watched till I was through. Wow, look at the crayons' faces now. Why are the crayons happy now? Whisper this into your whisper phone. You can hang up your phone when you're done with your idea. And when I'd finally finished, I began to walk away. And as I did, the crayon box had something to say. What? Sounds like the crayons are going to talk. "I do like red," said Yellow. And Green said, "So do I." And Blue, "You were terrific so high up in the sky." We are a box of crayons. Each one of us is unique. And when we get together, the picture is complete. Wow! Look at this picture that the girl drew at home when she bought the box of crayons. The end. In that last picture, it said that each crayon is unique. Can you say that word with me? Unique. Unique has 2 syllables like this. Unique. You try it. Unique. Unique means different. Each crayon is different. Each crayon is unique. Each crayon is a different color. And they all work together to do what? To make one big picture. Okay, here is your task on Seesaw. Your task is to go into your yellow or your orange folder, find the next blank piece of paper, and to use your crayons to make a picture. Now, wait. The crayons in your picture have to work together. They're each unique. They each are a different color, but I want to see a picture where you use all of the colors that were in your pouch from Bridge Boston. Okay? Here's how you do it. After you watch this video, you go back, you click Add Assignment, and you're going to see something that looks like this. Once you've drawn your picture, either take a photo or take a video showing your picture and explaining the colors you used. Those are the 2 options you have. You can show a photo of your picture or make a video to show us. Okay? All right. Off you go. I can't wait to see what unique drawings you have.